So I think there was a drip directly from the roof to the microphone as I said the word pretty. And I thought that I was like, why have I just spat so much? I don't normally when I pronounce that word. But yeah, I got like a face back of something.
I wish we had this much reverb all the time. This one's called Smokescreen, and it requires a bit of clapping if you're up home. There's a really fast one, and then there's a not so fast one, but a bit more complicated, but not that complicated.
The really fast one is a tiny little section, and it's almost like flamenco. I can't do it, but just follow Hannah.
But I wouldn't, actually.
Actually, don't follow Hannah. That's really bad advice. Don't ever follow Hannah. All she will do is steal your lager. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4.
Make the plans, take the wall, sun is shining. Cracks appear, all fall down. We know that this is nothing new, so dry your eyes. It's not only you find a way to see it through. Live nothing to prove. It's not a test. Don't try your best to hurt you. See, no one is looking at you. We all can see it was not me that you ate for and it got is me. Manipulated, faithless love will show you all make them believe. Your vicious view. See it all unfold. Take the box it up. Show you how it's sold. Understanding how it works. Ego chip and bruise. I've been driven and shaped to recreate. You know I won't be you. The fine extension of yourself. You cry for you and nothing else. You die to shift the focus back to what will be with oh poor me. It's sad to see that nothing has changed. We all can see it was not me that you ate for and you died as me. Manipulated, faithless love will show you all make them believe. Your vicious view. Not only you find, see it all unfold. Let nothing to take it by.
Really nice with the lights there.